I'm Ricko from Traga. I will present about speech not word. Hello everyone. Good morning, Miss. And my friend. Today I wanna present speech about nature. Nature is the world around us. We are human. We are human being depend on nature every time and for everything. Many people admire the beauty of nature and even they write many novels and poems on it. This is because the beauty of nature cannot be expressed in one single word or saying. It provides the human, animal, and all the living beings on the earth a place to live with the joy of nature resorts. Nature is the mother of all, as it helps to sustain our life. Is our companion since eternity, despite the importance of nature in human life. We are spoiling the balance only due to our greediness. Millions of years ago, when the knowledge of man was not better than an animal, at that time man used to get all the things need, needed for life only from nature. Even today, at the height of science, our requirements are met by nature only. Nature is one gift to us, as it protects forests and forests of organisms living on the earth. It gives us forests which are the lungs of earth. Our life as human beings started on this planet Earth, and since then we are exhausting its resource. But in return, we are exposing it to the external threats of destruction and mistreatment. Due to this, beautiful forests have been destroyed, rivers have been polluted, and vast open lands have been consumed for buildings and factories. We are giving challenge to nature by doing activities as hunting down animals, cutting down. Uh, Up to this my speech. Thank you for hearing my speech. Sorry if I have any mistake. Thank you.